Lastly, we're going to define blockchain. A blockchain is nothing more than a specific implementation of distributed ledger technology. So, on one hand, we have distributed ledger technology, which is the specification of an interface. On the other hand, we have blockchain, which is an implementation, or call it a type or one example of a distributed ledger technology. Now, I want to get your attention on the fact that these two terms are usually interchangeable. That's what we've observed so far. It's not necessarily bad, but it's more accurate to see a blockchain as an implementation of a DLT. As a matter of fact, there are multiple types of DLT. At the base, a blockchain is a shared ledger. What makes it special is the way the data, meaning the transaction that are performed within whatever network that blockchain is forming, how those transactions are gathered and persisted. In the case of a blockchain, what happens is that the transaction are first, scooped up from what we call a transaction pool, and then they are validated according to a chosen, agreed upon consensus mechanism or algorithm. And finally, they are bundled into what is called a block, and then a mathematical concept called hashing is used to link the newly created block to uh, the latest block in the existing chain. So that's basically what it is about. So this concludes our second module on defining more terms. And next, we'll be introducing a new module. But before we do that, let's very quickly remind what we talked about in here. So we talked about a distributed ledger technology, provide a specific definition. Second, we talked about the concept of a shared ledger. And finally, we define the concept of blockchain. Matondo for being here. Look forward to be with you in our third module.